Welcome to my channel Travel Guide. Boeing 787 Groundings, A380 Mystery Flight, and Spirit's Fleet Cuts Explained. Recent developments have shaken the aviation industry. Several Boeing 787 Dreamliners face temporary groundings due to inspection and maintenance concerns. Meanwhile, a mysterious Airbus A380 flight drew attention for its unusual route, sparking curiosity among aviation enthusiasts. At the same time, Spirit Airlines is downsizing its fleet by removing older aircraft to reduce costs and streamline operations. Together, these events highlight the challenges and shifting strategies within the commercial aviation sector. Air India 787 Emergency Deployment. On October 4, 2025, Air India Flight AI-117, Boeing 7878, experienced an uncommanded ram air turbine (RAT) deployment at 500 feet during approach to Birmingham, UK, prompting pilots to urge grounding of all Indian 787s for electrical system checks. Pilot Union Demand. India's Federation of Indian Pilots, FIP, representing over 6,000 aviators, demanded the Civil Aviation Ministry ground Air India's entire 787 fleet, 34 aircraft, citing repeated electrical glitches, including this incident and a similar one on Flight AI-154 from Vienna to Delhi. Link to fatal crash. The call for grounding references the June 12, 2025, crash of Air India Flight 171, 7878, the first hull loss for the type, killing 260 people due to fuel cutoff switches moving to cutoff, with ongoing investigations into electrical failures. Air India's response. Air India dismissed electrical failure claims, attributing the RAT deployment to a known uncommanded issue reported by Boeing, cleared the aircraft after inspections, and emphasized no safety risks, with preliminary DGCI reports submitted. Global 787 grounding echoes. Earlier in 2025, airlines like British Airways, up to 10+ aircraft grounded through October, and Kenya Airways, 3 units parked, faced prolonged 787 groundings due to Rolls-Royce engine maintenance issues, impacting routes like London to Abu Dhabi. Stored A380 reactivation. The weird A380 flight involved ex-Malaysia Airlines MSN 114, Reg. 2 Jane, stored for nearly 3 years at Tarbes, France, which performed a rejected takeoff on September 25, 2025, followed by a 3-hour test flight. Unexpected ferry to Abu Dhabi. On October 1, 2025, the A380 ferried 6+ hours from Tarbes to Abu Dhabi, AUH, as Airbus Flight AIB-114, surprising trackers as it was initially bound for dismantling but rerouted for heavy maintenance and conversion to a flight test bed. Airbus future plans. Post-maintenance, the A380 will undergo modifications to serve as a test aircraft for Airbus, highlighting the Super Jumbo's niche role despite production ending, with only approximately 225 built and limited second-hand demand. Spirit's fleet slash. Amid its second Chapter 11 bankruptcy in 2025, Spirit Airlines announced on October 3 plans to cut nearly 100 aircraft from its 214-plane fleet to approximately 114, rejecting leases on 87 A320, A321 units effective October 27, pending court approval. Bankruptcy cost savings. The reductions, plus a $150 million settlement with lesser aircap for 27 more aircraft, aim to save hundreds of millions by exiting unprofitable routes and airports, focusing on core markets amid weak demand and pricing pressure. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment to our channel. Thank you for watching.